Ma'am, Santosh is not attending the class. Ma'am, Santosh is not attending the class, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children. And let us wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. Like a few of the participants have begun joining us. Okay. Children, let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, fine. Like few are beyond joining. Okay. And we are as okay, fine. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. And in the last class, what did we see in the last class, children? What did we see in the last class? Web services. Good. And we saw what all the web services, what all the things has been are used, right? Yes, fine. And now today we are going to like chat, e-learning, e-banking, e-reservation, video conferencing, and all the steps like. We saw so many things in that like e-groups, and we ended with the e-groups, got it? And now we are going to see about social networking. If you see the board, it will be very clear. It's social networking. What is mean by social networking? Can anyone tell me what is mean by social networking? What is mean by social networking?
On Facebook.
Anyone? Charukesh, Nandita, Balakumaran, Adava, Gokul. Yes, social media. Good, Santosh. Sheikh, Kavipriyaj,
Walk
Jyoti
indeed.
Roshni, Lil. Okay, fine. I'll just tell what is meant by social networking. Here, the social networking, it's like where we get connected with where we get connected with the peoples. That is like Facebook, Twitter, um, like your what is that you'll be using it like day to day, what all the things like social medias, like even like YouTube or your Instagram, all those steps. Yes, yes, is LinkedIn and all those steps. Okay. Charukesh, from where are you writing all these steps? Yes, Charukesh. Okay, good. Fine. No, I don't want you to see the book. I want you to tell by yourself. Okay, the book is there, but what you know, I want to know that. That's the thing I'm asking you the question. Okay, here, this in the social media, you will be going with the with business or with a for you will be using the social media for business purpose or to connect your families to your friends, and so many things we are using this. Got it? And here in the social media, what all the things that is in the social networking, what all the things you are doing is it is like it's a program where you get connected with so many people like friends, families, or like your business or for your studies and all those steps, or even with the many of them get connected even with the strangers, and lot of issues comes apart from that. And here the various next is like various social networking sites like blogs, microblogs, forums, or like or chat rooms. These are like various social networking sites. Then here you have like merits and demerits. Here, what is the use? Because here in the we'll get, as I said before, with the merits of social networking, we'll get easily connected with the people. That is like if you are cousins or your families or whoever it may be, if they are in and out of the globe, what you can do, you can get connected, because if they have the internet connection and if you have the internet connection, what you can do through the social media, you can get easily connected. Then what you will do is you will be very easy to hold the discussions. It will be very, because to hold the discussions means that is if you want to tell, In space you can't use because there they won't be having. They'll use satellites. They'll use satellites over there. Okay. Who's that Charukesh? Charukesh in space you can't use, but you can use satellites. Through satellites they'll be communicating. Got it? And here, the merits where you can collect the opinions. Now, for example, if your father has gone for some other place, what you can do, you can ask your father what is happening over there. And if you want to take a decision in India, and if it's in some other place, what you can do, you can get connected easily, and you can share your ideas, and you can get you can collect the opinions from the persons whoever you need. Next, the interactive involvement. That is like example in the Facebook call, you used to text with your friends, your families, and your friends. Then for your business, whatever it may be, you can get interactive involvement. They like hi, like WhatsApp. Simply, if you will put a hi message to your friend, and what they will put hi. Did you eat? Did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat? You will be just beyond texting. You will be getting interactive. All day you don't know what are you text, but the whole day will be moving up. That is the way you will get interactive. Yes, right. Yes, Swati, good. Brings more awareness. Here, what happened? It brings more and more awareness to each and everyone. Here, in this social media, it brings more awareness. For example, like. We know what are the places where whatever happens in some other place, just with a fraction of seconds they'll take a pic, or they'll capture a video, and they will post it in Facebook, Insta, YouTube, but all the social medias, what they will do, they'll be publishing it, and it will become more trendy, brings more awareness. Like, for example, for when TikTok all was there, they like it brings that they used to tell, don't use TikTok. By using this, many of them have committed suicides, or they have ended up their life in different types of ways, right? That is all the types of merits and demerits. Here, demerits of social media. After completing the demerits, I'll just tell you what all the things you want to write. You can make a note of it. Here in the demerits of social media, first is misusing the data or information posted by innocent users. Here, what happens here? The people they used to post, right? For example, you all have your user profile, and you will be posting your photos, your videos, or your family photos, and all this stuff. What they will do, you will be giving the entire history of your. I was born here, I was brought up here, I was studying here, and all those stuff. What are the things they might use your profiles, and they will be the data or informations, and they'll be threatening you. I'll do this, I'll do that. You want to do me this, that, and all those stuff. Then credibility of information, that is wrong facts. That is what they will be doing is with bad intention they'll start to speak with you. By starting up when you speak with a stranger, it will be very interesting. Okay, I came to know a new friend. They are very good. You won't be looking at their face or anything like that. And what you will be thinking, okay, they are very good. They are nice, like that. You will be thinking. But when the days goes on, within a week, you will come to know that because that person is not a good person. That is, there'll be credibility of your information. What they'll be doing is they'll be using them wrong, the expressions, or your freedoms will be just going out down and down. Next is third one is fake profiles. Your fake. Yes, Kavipri, I'll get you the notes. Okay. Here, demerit means like advantages and disadvantages. Okay. Here, in the here, fake profiles. Now, in the if you see in the Facebook or Instagram, there'll be the person, they won't be having the name with the symbols or with different names they'll be using, but that won't be the correct person, right? Fake accounts. That's what I'm telling. The here, what happens? A fake profiles. It may be a girl or a boy, whoever it may be. They'll be using the fake account to just for their fun, or just to have a gala time. They'll be using it, or sometimes what they will do is they want to cheat someone, or they want to for all this prank or whatever it may be. What they will be doing is not for pranking, more than pranking, they'll be misusing others. Okay, then is bullying and trolling. Here in the bullying or trolling, what is mean by bullying or trolling means like what they will bull, what they will troll. That if I'm just for example, now like yes, it's like cyberbullying. What happens over here if a person is there, they'll be speaking something good only. The entire sentence they won't take. They'll take only one word and they'll tell. "Oh, this person in this meeting they spoke like this," and they'll make a big troll and they'll make them to go to a very bad stage. Like they might go into the depression also. That is the way they used to comment, and they will be. Yes, they're not like roasting. They'll make them like to get to the core to get irritated. Memes like trolls. There nowadays you can see like trolls. So there'll be lot and lot of trolls in the multi India or the social media. And when you go to the media side, it will be like trolls will be in like it will be in a huge amount. Will be on coming like that all those stuff. Then peer pressure. That is they'll take the fake information as I said before, because with the fake information what they will do, they'll start to threaten, or they'll be just misusing the other person. Then irresponsible behavior, what they will do is they'll misuse the freedom or expression of other people. Here in this irresponsible behavior, as I said, when you have a contact, because I know everyone are using your WhatsApp or your Facebook or Instagram and all this stuff, children please be very careful, because don't add a friend or anybody or any stranger to you as your friend. Don't accept them as your friend, because like irresponsible behavior, that is the behavior of that person. They may be telling I'm a girl and all this stuff, or I'm a boy. You may think they are good, but finally, okay, like finally what happens over here, even in the WhatsApp also, like unknown numbers they will come by mistake, so that they'll get connected, and that relationship ends in a very crucial stage, and they end up in a very wrong stage. Okay, so that be very careful while accepting a friend and giving our friend request to the other people. And the children, like girls or boys, whoever it may be, please be very careful in it. And then the attention seeking disorders and addiction, they will tell, that means like fake information, etc. They will tell, see, if you're not accepting of their friend request, they'll send a message in the inbox. See, hi, I want to be a friend, I want to be a friend. If you're not accepting me, once if you accept them, they'll tell, you want to do me like this. If you didn't do me like this, they'll be beyond threatening, and all those stuffs will be, they want the attention, and they want they had the disorder of addiction. That is, they want that person, they should be, that is like even like possessiveness, if we can tell. When it goes with a wrong relationship, and all these things will happen. Even though if you block them, what will happen is they'll be acting with some other account or with your friend's account, and they will be beyond doing, unless you reveal to your parents. Be friendly with your parents, or be friendly with your teachers, so that they can help you out to bring you out of the problem. Got it? Yes, these all about the merits and demerits. Fine. Now I'll get you the notes. Please make a note of it. Write the heading as social networking. Write the heading as social networking. Have you all written? If written, please do tell me yes. Yes, merits means advantages now. First, write social networking as the heading. Written? Yes. Social networking means or social networking is the use of internet based social networking is the use of internet based social media programs to make connections with social media programs to make connections friends friends, family, classmates, with friends, family, classmates, customers and clients. Customers and clients. Got it? Social networking is the yes, children. Can you all see me? Sorry, there was some packet over here. That's the reason. I hope from morning we are having a lot of packets. That's the reason why my video got dropped. Okay, fine. Now make a note of it. Yes, I'll tell you. I'll repeat from the first. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media programs to make connections with friends, family, classmates, customers and clients. Customers and clients. Got it? Customers and clients. Next, you write the heading as social networking sites. Social networking sites. Write the heading as social networking sites. A social networking site, or you want the first point, first social networking. Okay, Vishnu. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media programs to make connections with friends, family, classmates, customers and clients. Customers and clients. Next heading has social networking sites. Social networking sites. I will tell you. A social networking site is a website. A social networking site is a website that provides a venue, venue, that provides a venue for people that provides a venue for people to share, provides a venue for people to share their activities, to share their activities with family, to share their activities with family, friends, and colleagues. And colleagues, Colleagues, and colleagues, or to share their interest, or to share their interest in a particular topic, Facebook. Okay. A social networking site is a website that provides a venue for people, people to share their activities with friends, family, and colleagues, or to share their interest in a particular topic, Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, LinkedI should be in the capital, N should be in small letter. LinkedIn and Twitter are
Google what, ma'am?
some leading social sites. Are some leading social sites. Got it?
What is after Facebook, ma'am?
Various social networking sites.
Ma'am, what is
Write the
after
next
Facebook,
heading
ma'am?
as various social networking sites.
Ma'am,
Various social networking sites.
what is after Facebook, ma'am?
Here, blogs, website or web pages. It's up to you. You can mark it.
Ma'am, what is after Facebook,
For
ma'am?
learning what I am giving, it will be easy for you to understand. Blogs, microblogs, forums, social networks. Third one, here, that is various social networking sites. I have written there in the top, various social networking sites, right? That is it. Under that, you can write blogs, microblogs, forums, social networks, etc. Next, write the heading as merits of social networking. Merits of social networking. Under that, you have 4. I have explained
Ma'am.
already to you. I'll give you the
Ma'am,
heading. Make a note of it.
ma'am, say
Easier to
various.
connect with people.
Ma'am,
Easier to connect with people.
ma'am, what is after
Second one, easy to hold discussion. And collect opinions. Easy to hold discussions and collect opinions. Third one, interactive involvement. Fourth one, brings more awareness. I'll repeat it one more time for you children. Easier to connect with people. Facebook. Sheikh, it is Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter are some leading social sites. Got it? Written? No, like networking, social networking sites you are asking, that's why. Here I'll repeat the merits one more time. First one, easier to connect with people. First one. Second one, easy to hold discussions and collect opinions. easy to hold discussions and collect opinions. Third one, interactive involvement. Interactive involvement. I'll come back to you, Sheikh. Please wait. Fourth one, brings more awareness. Brings more awareness. Brings more awareness. I'll repeat it. Merits of social networking. Children, I need you to write it fastly. Easier to connect with people. Second one, easy to hold discussion and collect opinions. Third one, interactive involvement. Fourth one, brings more awareness. Brings more awareness. Sheikh, as you need like various social networking sites like blogs, microblogs, forums, FORUMS. Okay, and like social networking, etc. Got it? Next is demerits of social networking. Write the heading as demerits of social networking. Demerits. First one, misusing the data or information. Using the, you can type it there. Okay, misusing the data or information. Misusing the data or information posted by innocent users. Posted by innocent users. Misusing the data or information posted by innocent users. Posted by innocent users. Second one, credibility. 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 Credibility of information. Credibility of information. Written? Children, if you have written, please do tell yes. Only then I can move. Credibility. I'll tell you one more time. Please wait, Sheikh. Here. Credibility. Credibility of information. Credibility. Sheikh, now you start to write demerits of social networking. Then you can go back to merits. Cope up with the class. First one is misusing the data or information posted by innocent people. Second one, credibility of information. Third one, fake profiles. Fourth one, bullying or trolling. Bullying. Bullying and trolling. Trolling. Bullying and trolling. Fifth one, peer pressure. PWER. Peer pressure. PRESSURE. Peer pressure. Sixth one, irresponsible behavior. Seventh one, attention seeking disorders and addiction. Disorders and addictions. Attention seeking disorders and addictions. Written? Sheikh, have you written? Charukesh, Lokesh, Jaya Sridhar, Lakshmi Narayana Kumar, have you all written, children? Okay, fine. Now, features available on social networking sites. Where all the sites it is? Last point you need. Okay. Attention seeking disorders and addictions. 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 And it's the last one. Okay. Next. Here, features available on social networking sites. Where all it is here, it is available. User profiles, where all it will be mostly available. We used to have a profile pictures and all this stuff, right? Yes, children, you should be coming up. I told this is for like 3 to 4 times. Credibility of information tyranny. Credibility of information. Next, user profiles, that is features available on social networking sites are user profiles. I'll just tell you, you can just note it down. User profiles, blog engines where you will write blogs or you will tags and all the stuff. Then photo albums, you will have your photos and all the stuff, photo albums. Then discussion boards, like you have like discussion boards where you can sit, you can discuss like news group. Then groups you have where you can form the groups in your Facebook or with your WhatsApp and all those steps. Got it? Yes. Chargesh, I'm going very slowly down. Here, first is user profile. User profile. Second is blog engine. Second is blog engine. Third, photo albums. Photo albums. Fourth one, groups. Fourth one is groups. Fifth one, discussion boards. Fifth one is discussion boards. Next is media galleries. Media galleries where you will store your videos, photos and each and everything, right? Media galleries. Activity streams. Next is activity streams. Activity streams. Messaging. Messaging. Walls, that is virtual place in your user profile. Walls, WALLS, walls. Comments, where you used to comment for with your friends, families, and all this stuff. Comments. Last is tags. Last is tags. 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 I'll repeat it. User profiles, blog engines, photo albums, groups, discussion boards, media galleries, activity streams, walls, messaging, walls, comments, tags, walls, comments, and tags. Got it? Now, ethics in social networking. What are the ethics? What are the good qualities that you should have? Right perspective. First one is right perspective. You should know with how you should have a contact, have a good healthy relationship with a stranger or family or friends. That is with right perspective. You should speak with them with the right motto, not with the wrong motto. First one is right perspective. First one is right perspective. That is was my ethics. Ethics in social networking. I have written over here. Ethics in social networking. Can you see? Ethics in social networking. First one, right perspective. Right perspective. Right perspective. Next, utilitarian perspective, that is should be away from illegal acts. That is, we should be very careful and we should be away from the illegal acts. We should not go like for bullying or trolling, all those stuff we should not be involved. Okay, that is known as utilitarian. Utilitarian. Utilitarian perspective. Utilitarian perspective. Third one, fairness perspective. Third one, fairness perspective. Here, fairness perspective means like they should not think that I am mild, I am big, you are big. No, both are equal. They should think both are equal. I'll tell. That is fair, FAIRNESS, fairness. Fairness. That means like with a good motto, good thing. They should be very fair. Like you should not tell ma'am is showing partiality to her or ma'am is showing the teacher should be very fair for each and every student. Same like that. It is like fairness perspective. Got it? And the fourth one, common good perspective, should not disturb others. This is known as common good perspective. Common good perspective. Common good perspective. Common good, perspective. Written, I'll tell once more all the four. Right perspective, right RIGHT, right perspective. Second one, utilitarian perspective. UTILITARIAN, utilitarian perspective. Third one, fairness perspective. Third is fairness perspective. Fourth one, common good perspective. Common good perspective. Got it? Next, service providers. Next is the last one is service providers. You need not to write what is mean by service. You can just note it down if you want. Where you can with friendship social networking, business social networking, hobby social networking, information social networking, educational social networking, and new social networking. I'll repeat it. Your service is provided where with whom all you can get connected. You can have a good friendship. Then for business purpose, that is business social networking. Third is hobbies like craft work and all those stuff, hobbies. Then information social networking like news and all those stuff. Next, educational social networking. Now we all are studying through online. It's known as educational social networking. And the sixth one is new social networking. New social networking. New social networking. Got it? Yes. Hey, children, please do wait, children. Sorry, children. Monkey just came to the classroom. That's it. Okay, fine. Here, I think the classroom is dark. Okay, fine. No issues. Uh, yes, monkey has come. Okay. Here, like service providers, we saw about the service providers, like with whom all we have the social. That is, with friendship, business, hobbies, information, education, and then new social networking. Okay, fine. The last topic over here is mobile technology. Mobile technology. Mobile technology. Here, like instead of writing technology, you can write technologies. Mobile technologies. Here in this mobile technologies, you have like things like SMS. SMS is known as short message services. Where we used to Yama. For this, like for what you need notes. Okay. For mobile technologies like SMS, where you have like you'll be having the messages like short message services in the like old age, like normal message where you used to send. Here we have around like 160 characters. Here what you can write 160 characters. 160 characters are allowed over here because only if your message goes beyond 160 60 characters, what happened over here means like you can't get all your messages to be done. Third, the second one is MMS. MMS, that is known as multimedia messaging services. Multimedia messaging services. Here in multimedia messaging services, what happens? All the things like those, normally we have WhatsApp and all those things, but in those days, if you want to send a video or a document or a picture, all those stuff we used to use this multimedia messaging services. We use multimedia messaging services. That is the use of MMS. Are you all clear? Clear, children? Next is 3G. Next is 3G. 3G is known as, that is, the G stands for generation. G stands for generation. Here, as I said, G stands for generation. What happens over here? It brought the more interest of the people. It just brought the interest of the people towards the web browsers, towards the web browsers. That is, before that, nobody, like only the people who work in IT or business people, they used to browse and they used to learn. Okay. Yes, spectrum, like that is generation. Okay. Now that is 3G, it's a spectrum, but is the thing is the generation, how it grows, like Windows 8, Windows 7, like that. Okay. And here, like all the people, mostly the 3G, you can tell the people, they get addicted, or they got the love towards the web browser. They knew how to use a web browser. But next is 4G. Yeah, 4G, it gives the high speed internet. Okay, but here nowadays in Tamil Nadu, even though the 5G has come, but mostly they are using this 4G. 4G itself gives us the good high level internet. When 3G was there, it was enough. But when we shifted with the 4G, we had more high level. If you want to use, like in the Korea, they are using the 10G, that is with the 10G level generation. What you should do means, the mobile phone or the devices what they are using, that should be really, it should be very costly. Apart from that, it should be like accessible, because like when we were using like 2G mobiles or 3G mobiles, when the 4G came, that mobiles and the SIM, everything want to change, right? Same like that. For example, now everyone are using 4G, right? Now for apart, like when you start to use 4G, now you are attending the class in your mobile phone. Means if you attend, for example, 2 classes, what happens, like at the end of the 2 hours, what happens, your phone started to burn, the charge get down and your phone will be burning, will be very heated up, because those accessories, to accept that generation, it should be. Yes, that's what I'm telling, ma. That's what I'm telling. If you want, yes, ma, 1 minute, I'll complete it. I'll complete it. I'll just wind up now. Okay? If you want to use it, what you want to do is you should be very careful by using Gen Z. 5G they have introduced, but nowadays nobody is using with 5G. 4G only, it's in the trend. Got it? That's all. Today we saw about social networking and various social networking sites, then merits of social networking, demerits of social networking, features available on social networking site, and ethics in social networking, what are the services provided, then mobile technologies, then SMS, that is short message, that is in mobile technologies, we saw 4 things, that is short messages services. Here, only 160 characters are used. Then MMS, that is multimedia messaging service, and then we have 3G and 4G. G stands for generation, and here people got addicted with the web browser. They got used with the web browser. Next is the 4G. 4G, that is the high level internet where every people are using in their day-to-day life, and they got addicted with it. Got it, children? Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear, children? Yeah, like 3G and 4G difference means like they have for 3G the capacity or the range will be less, and the speed of this 4G will be high. The speed of 3G will be less and the speed of 4G will be high. I hope everyone got it right. Yes. Okay, good ma. Thank you all. Have a great weekend. Okay, enjoy your days. Bye. Thank you. Yes, ma. Like my YouTube got a little bit corrupted. I'm working on it. By today or tomorrow, I'll upload everything. Okay? Fine. Thank you all. Thank you, children.